Hello and welcome to another exciting episode of Product of the Week. I'm your host and incredibly amazing maker, Robin Mitchell. In today's episode, we'll be taking a look at the latest version of the Red Pitaya, which is the Red Pitaya Pro Z7020 Gen 2, which, if you thought the first one was awesome, just wait until you see what the specs and capabilities of this are. So, without further ado, grab a coffee, sit back and enjoy this episode. This is a small single-board computer combined with a high-speed logic system and advanced analog front-end to create the Swiss Army pocket knife of electronics. Its predecessor, the Red Pitaya, provided engineers with a whole suite of tools and capabilities, but this board amplifies these capabilities, putting both the Red Pitaya and many single-board computer solutions to shame. If high-speed digital or analog systems, including RF, are your thing, this is the machine for you. What makes this board really awesome is its improved features over the previous version. Based on the Zynq 7020, the Pro doubles the system RAM to 1GB, improved SFDR of 50 decibels, which is 10 more than its predecessor, 70 dB of crosstalk, and a whole lot of other improvements. Basically, this board is awesome because it takes what was so good about the Red Pitaya and, well, just made it better. As technology changes, we demand new things, explore new ideas, and this board empowers all of this. So as we said previously, with the improved noise immunity and doubling of system RAM, what else has changed and what features does this board pack? Well, to start, Red Pitaya dropped the SATA chaining ports in favour of USB-C, which makes a lot of sense for a few reasons. Firstly, USB-C cables can go faster than many SATA cables. They can do so over longer distances and are more readily available. So this is a welcome addition to this board. It now supports both internal and external clock selection, multi-channel syncing, E3 connector for external booting, and an E3 connector with 8 high-speed pairs, allowing for further expansion. Furthermore, the inclusion of a new add-on module, the QSPI plus eMMC, supports for secure booting, onboard STM microcontroller, and multiple boot sources. This board has also been designed for extended environments supporting -40 to 85 degrees Celsius, so this board can really withstand the heat of the kitchen, or industrial blast furnace. When it comes to projects that you may want to do, well, there's no stopping your imagination because the flexibility that is offered by this board is insane. To start, the FPGA and analog capabilities makes this board perfect for signal and data capture, whether that's for researching, prototyping, development, or just plain diagnosing. In fact, this single board could replace most bench equipment, including oscilloscopes, logic analyzers, and function generators. Oh, and just to make things more cool, it's all interfaced over browser, so your hardware could be in one place and you in another. Secondly, this board is ideal for low-energy applications thanks to its low energy consumption and small profile for integrating into existing projects that need to replace hardware such as the Pi. While those single-board computers are powerful and capable, with many cores and large RAMs, they are all often useless in the real-time and analog world. So if your robot, astronomy system, or crazy invention requires a device with microcontroller capabilities that a Pi could never offer, this board will absolutely suffice. Thirdly, because of the extended temperature range now offered, you can use this board in harsher environments, including industrial systems. This means that it's now easier to integrate into more advanced systems, possibly combining it with PLCs, larger equipment, and factories. I'm thinking automation, production lines, chemical monitoring, that sort of thing. And that wraps up this week's episode of Product of the Week. This board isn't just an upgrade, it's a serious leap forward in what's possible from a compact, all-in-one measurement and control platform. With its faster memory, clearer signal performance, extended temperature range, and new expansion options, it's clear that Red Pitaya listened to engineers and makers who wanted more power, more flexibility, and more reliability. Whether you're building an automated test rig, exploring RF systems, or just want a lab on a board that fits in your backpack, this board delivers the kind of versatility that makes other boards look like toys. If you like what we do here at Electromaker and want to show your support, then hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and head over to the official Electromaker store where you can get this and everything else you could possibly need, and I'll see you next time.